Now I have the function that assigns to the number x plus 1. Then I am going to try to show that this is not additive. So I'm going to pick two particular numbers from the domain of f, -2 and 3, the same as in 29a. And notice that f assigns to -2 plus 3, -2 plus 3 plus 1, right? Whatever you put in plus 1. That's equivalent to saying that f of -2 plus 3 is 2, of course, doing a little bit of arithmetic. And the sum of f of -2 and f of 3, well, that would be -2 plus 1. What happens when you put in -2? And you add to that 3 plus 1. And that is the same thing as saying f of -2 plus f of 3 is equal to 3, just doing a little bit of arithmetic again. And you can see that these two numbers are not equal. And before then I finalize the statement and say that f is not additive, let me draw a picture to show you what it looks like, that these two things are not equal. So I've already drawn the thing that I put in. Okay, let's go back to this. Remember that we had these 7 characters, x, y, x plus y, f of x, f of y, f of x plus y. That is all of these images of the things that actually are in the domain. And then this over here, which may or may not be the same thing as f of x plus y. The thing in red is what we have to worry about. Okay, so I was trying to show that f is not additive. So I was looking in particular x and y, -2 and 3. And indeed, I found that this thing and this thing were not equal, with x and y being the particular numbers 2 and 3. And in colors, I have drawn in blue y, and green x plus y. And now on the other side, right here, this is the picture in the codomain. I need to draw the thing that x gets taken to. So -2, f turns -2 into -2 plus 1, which is -1. So I'll draw an arrow going out to -1, and that is the thing that I'd call f of x. And then in blue, I look at y. Y was 3, and 3 gets taken to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in blue, I draw 4. Okay, and then in green, the x plus y, 1. 1 gets taken to 2. Of course, x plus y is -2 plus 3, and that gets taken to 2. So I'll put a tick mark here at 2 with an arrow. All right, and that is f of x plus y. And in blue, I should have put that this 4 right here was f of y. Okay, now my picture was all scrunched up. I don't know why I had this number line go from -6 to 9. Oh, I was thinking of I was thinking of 29a. Well, we're all mortal. I'm sure I'll make lots and lots of mistakes in front of you. The next thing to draw in red is the last thing, f of x plus y. And f of x plus y is 3. Alright, so I'll draw in red an arrow going out to 3. And in red, f of x plus f of y. So you see how f of x plus y does not need to be the same thing as f of x plus f of y. It's a pretty rare occurrence that those two things do match up, like they did in example 29a. So let me conclude here and say, so f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y is a false statement. For the particular values -2 and 3 for x and y respectively. Thus, f is not additive.